Okay, which one are you doing first, front or back?
Let's see. Back.
Why?
Well, I don't know. That's just what you did on the last motor, but there was a reason for it on the last one.
It tends to flip more toward the front than the back when you put weight on it. But this motor here, you know, it's about equal.
Yeah.
Technically, there's more weight on this side, so the front one would be better because it's counterbalanced by all this oil crap over here. And we're also trying to do it on the left side instead of the front side, so try this one. Just don't get it on top of the other cylinder would be nice. Right to the ground. Remember, put the rags over the holes so it doesn't go down the holes.
Oh, yeah.
Unless you want to. Sharp side out. Remember that?
Yeah.
They put a snapped hole in like they could take a round clip, but it had square ones in there. So hopefully it's supposed to take flat ones and not round ones. It's hard to tell how the groove is made by looking at it.
Ooh.
But if it's not the right way, it'll come out.
Okay.
So seeing how it didn't come out before, it probably won't come out this time either. So you want to make sure you lube up your pistons because they're going to be dry because nobody put any oil in the bottom of it. Stop before you go all the way down. Need one head bolt, it went down anyway. So you gotta put a head bolt in here before it gets in all the way, see?
Oh, yeah.
I like lubing my head bolts also. So gasket sealers pulling up now.
Yeah.
Someone didn't do it right the first time. Alright, piston moves, it's good, leaving nothing broken in there. Yeah, that's not allowed. If the rings were in there bad, if the rings were folded up or had issues, it wouldn't just slide up that easy.
Oh. Okay.
So up is what?
Up.
That sounds good.
Okay.
Yeah, you're smart.
Yeah.
You know what else you can do? Go like that.
Well, look at you.
See why I painted those black instead of silver?
Yeah.
They look better when they're black. It's gonna save you like 40 bucks in hardware by a little paint.
Yeah.
Of course, I took my life in my own hands by warming the paint up. Okay. Yeah, I bet you that's low compression. It's pretty low. So, you want to make sure you rotate these inward like this so the intake manifold gets closer together.
Okay.
See there's a gap in here?
Yeah.
So you rotate it that way. The other one you go the other way. The studs never got painted, so they're going to rust unless you put paint on them.
Okay.
So you go there with a paintbrush and put aluminum paint on if you want. Or you can put black on them, and the top of the bolt to be black. done. Where's the other bolt we need? Oh, this one over here.
It's right there.
We got it prelude, ready to go. Don't put too much on it. I think I got another one over here.
Whew.
Done now too. Okay, so on the wrong side. So everybody wants me to use an engine stand.
Why?
No. Make Jim's happy. Buy more tools.
Yeah. Sharp side out.
Yep. There it is. See, it's got drag on it. See, it's not loose. If it's loose, take it out and fix it. It'll come out. If it spins around freely, it'll come out. Which is usually not what people want. Not always though. Some people want their shit to fall apart.
It's weird.
Yeah, I know. How do you clean your finger off?
Just like that.
Scrape it off. You don't go all the way down yet until you put this in there. You can drop it.
Then you clip it.
I got two of those for a reason.
Good call.
That one was stuck. Painted. Someone painted it.
Ooh.
Dried to the bench over there. Oh, I guess somebody scraped the paint right there. Probably rubbed on that steel bench like that.
Oh no.
Gouge in that thing. It's a chip in it. Oh my god. I have to got to send it out for a new paint job.
It's terrible.
So they rounded that nut off too. Look at that.
Take it.
We'll put that right out there where everybody can see it. We're proud of it.
Yeah. It's a good idea.
You know what happens if you don't have these?
Nothing. What?
You can run 74-inch studs because the nuts are shorter than 74.
Oh.
But if you run 80-inch studs, you got out of play because look how much nut hangs out still.
Oh yeah.
You still can put a tall nut on here, but the problem is a 5/8 nut. You can't get behind it. The cylinder's thicker. That's why they did it. That's why they get the thin nuts on there.
Ooh.
These are 9/16 instead of 5/8. Okay, so this one I'm going to rotate the other way, see? See movement?
Yeah.
So it didn't have quite as much. That bad one. Burrs on it. I don't know where you got that from, but it's a bad nut.
Yeah.
Probably was up there in that box. Sitting for somebody else to get it. Alright, here we go. I don't have my 5/8 wrench to beat on anymore. I have to use a pulling wrench now. torque do you want on these?
Enough.
About that much?
Probably a little more.
Oh, you want more than that? How much more do you want? Torque wrench out here. Oops. It fell off. Is that enough torque?
Yeah,
Sure.
sure.
Right there. It doesn't torque as much. Get a little torque on them now. Some people worry about it falling on the floor, but not me. They get nervous around motors, I don't know why. It's not about to fall anywhere, is it?
That's a sudden stop at the end.
There you go. Does it rotate? No. Takes more than that. That's the Sportster one again. Why do I always grab the Sportster? The other one's over there where I don't think they're looking for it. Now if you turn it backwards, the oil stays in there. Remember, if you turn it forward, the oil comes out.
Oh yeah.
There's a scraper over here.
Turn it backwards.
Get a heavy drag in that thing.
Beautiful.
Wipe off the extra oil so you don't foul your pistons out, your rings. Not your rings, your spark plug. So the rear cylinder has the bad cylinder in it. Okay. Look how low the compression is. When you get near the top of the cylinder, say. Way down there.
That's way down there?
Yeah.
Okay.
I've seen mine pop out in my race bike.
Oh.
I stepped it way up. These are pretty low down on these. I always try this a low compression motor on top of all the other stuff we got. It's probably low. There you go, looks like a motor.
Yeah.
Except it's heavy. Oh, drop on the floor. There you go.
Alright.
Where's your bolts?
Something right there.
Probably the one sitting here on the stand next to it waiting to go in the holes.
Yeah.
These bolts?
That'd be my guess.
Oh, that's what the bolts. That's what these bolts are for, sitting here, huh?
Yeah.
Imagine that. It even fit. How'd that happen?
Look, it was made to do it.
I wonder who made that.
I don't know.
I don't know. It's the right height too.
Yeah.
No shimming required.
Weird.
How'd that happen?
I don't know.
Yep. That was the younger me did that one. The only problem, you have to buy this big table with it at the same time, so it's expensive.
Yeah.
Costs more. Alright, so how much torque was on those bolts?
I don't know. We're gonna find out.
Actually, I got that new torque wrench I bought. What do you do with that thing?
Oh, the fancy one. Fancy old one. Put it in that toolbox there.
Here somewhere, maybe? What do you do with that?
I thought you put it in that toolbox.
What toolbox?
With the other one, the red one.
What toolbox?
That big one. Right next to you.
I looked at that toolbox. Wasn't in there. Not in here.
You had like 3 or 4 torque wrenches.
Look at all the drawers. One in that one. It's not in this one. It's not in that one either. It's laying back here somewhere. I just don't see it. There's half-inch one, but that doesn't work. What do I do with the other one? I bought a 3/8 one. Thought I bought a 3/8. Pretty sure I bought a 3/8.
Yeah. Look like that one, but smaller.
A collection of them. Damn, why would you put a new torque wrench in the box? I would hide it from myself. So I needed, I couldn't find it. That sucks. What do I do with it? I have to use this one. It pisses me off. I'm going to use my new torque wrench.
You know what you could do?
Mark it.
Go back and watch the video.
Good. See right through it.
Yeah.
Oh, that'd be too much work. Okay, what torque do you think these are out here at?
I have no idea.
You think I should put this torque at? 100?
Sure.
You're supposed to go 32 foot-pounds, as I recall. But I could be wrong.
Probably good.
Okay. Maybe it's 40 foot-pounds it's supposed to be.
Yeah.
About 40.
I think you got it.
It's trying to move. It's almost moving, but not quite. See, the hammer method works good.
Yeah.
And I didn't have to have a stand to hold the motor, so it wouldn't move either. I think I got more than 40 on it. Yeah.
Yeah, I think you did.
Yeah. You know how you put 40 on an Evo? Your motor pulls studs out of the case.
Oh.
When you do 40 on a shovel, you know what happens?